Welcome to my channel.
But I love it.
Subaru's baby crossover gets a makeover. 2017 is a 12 months of reinvention for Subaru. Beginning with the Impreza, the Japanese automaker released into what it considers its one-third generation of cutting-edge motors. The 2018 Subaru Crosstrek is the second version to be overhauled in this push, and a key element inside the organization's efforts to capitalize on the phenomenal success of its second-generation products. What you see earlier than you, however, is as much a monument to branding as its miles a testimony to Subaru's competence in the crossover marketplace. The Crosstrek isn't a brand new formula, but alternatively an old concept made new with a touch advertising and marketing savvy and a few tremendous timing. In case you lived through the 1990s, you possibly do not forget, fondly or in any other case, Paul Hogan's relentless hawking of the Subaru Outback Sport. In truth, relying for your age and level of automobile know-how on the time, you could actually have operated beneath the influence that Subaru become honestly an Australian brand. And even as that's a first-rate instance of ways powerful marketing can pass incorrect, Crosstrek suggests that it can do appropriate matters too. Basically, a Subaru Crosstrek is only a Subaru Outback recreation, but thanks to the buzzy new nameplate and the abandonment of 15, which befell before the 16 model year, what changed into antique have become new again. To see for ourselves, we joined Subaru in Deadwood, South Dakota, on the, unfortunately temporary, Camp Crosstrek to take it for a spin. Born again, once more. With the release of the second-era Subaru Crosstrek, the Outback Sport is now 2 generations at the back of us, however the fundamentals are still the identical. Underneath the badge and the competitive cladding, the Crosstrek is basically an Impreza hatchback, or wagon, relying on who you ask, on stilts. We could not nail any of Subaru's spokespeople down on the exact quantity of additives shared among Impreza and Crosstrek. However, let's pass ahead and say it's a quite hefty percentage. The suspension has been modified to house the Crosstrek's jacked-up journey top, for starters, and the Crosstrek receives some dirt trail gizmos to fit its extra ground clearance, but, simply, we are speaking about fraternal twins as opposed to mere siblings. We'll get to the specifics of that later.